Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have something really exciting to talk about: unique indoor plant decoration ideas. If you want to suppress up your living space and bring a touch of nature indoors, you are in the right place. We will be sharing some amazing ideas that anyone can try, even if you are not a plant expert. So let's start our video. Our first idea is to create a mini jungle corner in your home. You can use a variety of small potted plants like succulents, ferns, and snake plants. Arrange them on a shelf or in a corner of your room to bring a lush green vibe to your space. It is an easy way to make your home feel more like a tropical paradise. Next up, we have hanging gardens. You can hang your plants from the ceiling or on a wall using macrams. Plants hangers. It is a beautiful and space-saving way to decorate with plants. Try some trailing plants like pothos or spiders plants for the extra charms. These are like tiny self-contained ecosystem you can create your own by placing small succulents or air plants in glass containers. They are low maintenance and add a touch of elegance to your space. If you are feeling artist, why not create a plant art wall? You can frame your favorite plant leaves or press them into artworks. It's creative way to show off your love for plants and add a unique touch to your home decor. Last but not least, consider using vintage containers for your indoor plants. Old teacups, mason jars, or antique pots can add characters to your plants display. Just make sure the have proper drainings to keep your plants healthy. There you have it, 5 unique indoor plant decoration ideas that anyone can try. Whether you are a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner, these ideas are sure to bring some greenery and life into your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring ideas. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.